Hello dear friends, subscribers and guests of my channel. In this video I want to show and tell you how to allow Instagram access to your photos on iPhone. Please put your like, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Let's get started. So, first we need to go to settings. After that we need scroll down a little and click privacy and security here. After that we need to scroll down and find photos. Scroll down again and here we must find Instagram. And here you can click full access. And that's all. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please put your like, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Bye bye everyone, see you later.